Real nigga shit, man. Your boy go out, man. I talk a lot of shit, but best believe I can back it up. Put a bullet through your if your bitch ass gets to acting up. Christmas present to your my body bag you, then they wrap you up. Wanna know if I care? Hell nah, cause I don't give a fuck. I'm on that Saddam Hussein, cause I'm insane in the brain. Shit, your life lies in the fucking hand that I aim with. I guess I'm aggravated at the world, cause I ain't got no love, so I love to fill it up with my hate, with them fucking slugs. Mean mug you niggas, all I think about is killing y'all. I chill by myself, cause a nigga just ain't feeling y'all. I know that you feel the same, but you coming at me lame, smiling at me, chunking deuces. Please just stay up out my way. Give you some advice so you can make it through another day. I'm Chucky, motherfucker, but round here it ain't no child play. Gangsta shit, Hoover Crip, scream that shit straight off the rip. You better try to chill, cause you don't know who you be fucking with, nigga.